Hello friends, it's Nico here, and today we're cosplaying Sasuke. It is my second time cosplaying this emo ninja, but we are doing it for a collaboration. So the makeup is gonna be pretty quick. I strongly regret the decision to make this makeup tutorial in egg mode, but I had to because I just did a face taping video and this is from that video. So look out for it, it's gonna probably be the next video I post. It's gonna be all about taping. Not gonna lie, I was rushing this makeup, so I forgot to blend it at first, but I did end up blending it up afterwards. If you want to know how I do my contour the best way or how I do my foundation and everything the best way, please watch one of my previous videos talking about how to improve your overall cosplay makeup. Now I'm just contouring my nose. I'm gonna go with a thin nose for Sasuke. And with this lighter color, I'm gonna go ahead and blend it better because this palette is a little bit too warm for my liking. So I do go over it with a lighter color just to diffuse it a little bit. Now a lot of people like doing the eyeshadow before they do the foundation and all the face work and contouring, but I do like to do everything afterwards. I am creating a little bit of shade here under the eyebrows just to make him look a little bit angrier, a little bit more serious looking. I'm creating more shade with this color. Sasuke's makeup is pretty simple. I don't go too crazy with it. It's just very simple makeup. I'm not even using lenses for this cosplay because his eyes are dark. His eyeshadow work is very important. I do go in with a darker brown than usual. Usually I like to keep it very light, but for him I want to create more shades because he does have a very serious, blunt look. I don't know how to explain it, but it is more like an edgy look. I do want to define his eye makeup a little bit more, and I want to make him look a little bit tired. I mean, the guy is going through it, he's been going through it, and we gotta show it. We gotta show it in these tired eyes. I always like to line my eyeliner with eyeshadow first, a dark brown color, just to kind of get the idea of the eye makeup I want to create on him, and then I go over it with the black eyeliner. I did end up putting a little bit of brown eyeshadow on the bottom here. And now with the eyeliner, I just go over the same line I created initially with the eyeshadow. Don't forget to line that upper waterline. It makes a world of a difference with the makeup. It completes the makeup. With a darker eyeshadow, it's more like a dark wine color. I go over the inner eye instead of using eyeliner. For his eyebrows, they are black. I usually go into with a lighter color, but I was pretty confident again because it's the second time I cosplay him, so I was a little bit more confident on this run, and I went ahead and went directly in with the black, but I did do it softly. I didn't want to have to shave my eyebrows. I took too long to let them grow, but in the end, alas, I failed, and I still ended up shaving a little bit from it. One was a little bit thinner than the other one, but nothing that a little concealer cannot fix. I don't know what prompted me to do this, but I think it looked really cute. I just wanted to create more shadow by using a darker color. Now for the lips, I only use what's left over from the sponge, and I make sure to hydrate before, but I forgot, so I did it after. So I'm gonna use this berry pink eyeshadow. It's very close and similar to my lip color. I'm enjoying changing the shape of my lips recently with all my characters to whatever fits the most. For Sasuke, I do want to create a darker base color. I go with my natural lip color first, and then I go in with a darker eyeshadow to create a darker lip line in the inner lips. Clean up the messy corners, because that's what happens when you rush your makeup. You mess up a lot. And now I'm gonna go ahead and highlight the areas like my cupid's bow, my cheekbones, my nose. I sometimes retouch it again, make it look shinier. And we're pretty much done. Let's put on a wig. I don't know how to explain why I don't have a shirt, but I guess you'll see why on the next video. Thank you all very much for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified of my future videos. Wow, that was fast. Bye!